Me, Manisha and Angel are introducing the topic nitrogen. Manisha briefly explain about it and Angel show you the presence of nitrogen. So let's start. First, we have to know about nitrogen. What is nitrogen? Nitrogen is a major component of air which does not support burning. 78% of nitrogen present in the air. Nitrogen is an essential element for all living beings. Thank you. Next, I would like to invite my next teammate Manisha to briefly explain about the topic nitrogen.
A very special morning to all of you. I am Manisha from Standard 6C. Today I briefly explain about nitrogen. Nitrogen is tasteless, colorless and odorless element. Nitrogen is most abundant element in Earth atmosphere. Nitrogen is an essential macronutrient for plant function and is a key component of amino acid which form the building block of plant protein and enzyme. Nitrogen is also used in production of fertilizer. There are four types of nitrogen. First is dinitrogen. It is also called atmospheric nitrogen and N2. Second is nitrate. It is also called NO3. Third is ammonium nitrogen. It is also called NH4. And last is organic nitrogen. It is also called CnH2. The nitrogen cycle is repeating cycle process during which nitrogen moves through both non-living thing and living thing. For example, atmosphere, soil, water, plant, bacteria, etc. Now me and my next teammate Angel will do an activity. A very bright morning to all of you. Myself Angel from Channel 6. As you see, my first teammate Divya has given the introduction of nitrogen. Then my second teammate Manisha has briefly explained you about nitrogen. And now I will do an experiment related to nitrogen. This activity will show that air contains nitrogen. Materials required in this activity are a bowl, a candle and a glass and some water. First we have to place the candle in the bowl, then burn the candle. After burning the candle, we have to slowly pour some water in the bowl. After pouring the water in the bowl, we have to cover the candle with the glass. You will see slowly it will extinguish. Do you know why this candle is extinguished? This candle is extinguished because the oxygen in the glass is used up and water level rises up to replace the lost oxygen. Water level did not rise all the way up because some gases still present in it. Do you know what gas is this? This gas is nitrogen. The part of air which supported burning was oxygen and the part of air which doesn't supported burning is nitrogen. Thank you, that's all.
I hope our explanation will be the best.
Now I would like to call Bahan Sakshi's group to explain a topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.
To all of you. Thanks Bahan for calling my group. I am Varsha and present here with my group. In a previous video, you have been explained about air component, that's nitrogen. In this video, me and my group will explain you about water vapor. Now, I would like to invite Bahan Sakshi for explanation of the water vapor.
A very enthusiastic morning to all of you. I am Bahan Sakshi Kumari from Standard 6 and here I am present with a new topic, that is water vapor. So at first, we have to know that what's the water vapor. So the answer is, it is the water present in atmosphere in the gaseous form. We can also notice at some time that water spilled on floor disappears after some times. It disappears from some other places too. So a question comes in our mind that where does this water go? So the answer is, this water changes itself into water vapor. For this process of conversion, the water used the process of evaporation. We noticed that water so formed become a part of the atmosphere, and to prove this, now I would like to call my next partner, Bahan Sanvi, to show you some experiments.
Thanks, Bahan. So let us start our experiment. A very warm good morning to all of you. The material which we need for experiment are a glass and cold water. Then we will pour the cold water into the glass. Then you can see the vapor is coming.
Yes, now you can see the vapor is coming out the glass. Here the vapor is colliding with the glass surface, so water is condensation. That's all for today. I hope that our team has explained the best and you liked our explanation. Thank you. And now I would like to call Group of Behan Tanvi to explain about the carbon dioxide. Thank you.
Very sweet good morning all of you. Firstly, I would thank you to calling our group. I am Kumari of Standard 6. They are my partner of my group. Her name is Tanvi and her name is Ria. We are here to do some activity in carbon dioxide. You know what is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is a chemical compound that is usually in the form of gas. It is made of one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. Its chemical formula is CO2. Thank you, and I would like Ben Tanvi to more explanation about carbon dioxide.
Thanks, Ben Preeti, to call me next. A very nice good morning to all of you. I am Tanvi from class 6C. Here I will share my view on carbon dioxide. So, what is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is a colorless gas formed during the combustion of any material containing carbon and an important greenhouse gas. Source of CO2. All energy producing using combustion emit carbon dioxide. This includes driving vehicles, electricity production, heating, etc. It is also produced during the decomposition of organic matter in soil under oxidizing condition. Source use of CO2. Carbon dioxide is used in the process of photosynthesis for preparation on their own food in the presence of sunlight. Next, my partner Ria so with activity.
Thank you, Ben Tanvi, for giving me a beautiful chance. Good morning to all of you. My name is Ria from class 6C. First, we will take a half glass of water. As mix water and ENO. Then it cause reaction that produce carbon dioxide. Then we will take a candle over the glass. After some time, we found that the candle extinguishes. That means the ENO react with water to make bubbles of carbon dioxide. Thank you.